In this video, we'll explore how loan amortization works when you have a 5-year loan with annual payments. This could, for example, be a house mortgage and is also called an annuity loan. I'll walk you through the formula and show how each payment breaks down over the life of the loan in a step-by-step process. First, we need to know how much we need to pay back every year. This is the formula for calculating the fixed annual payment known as PMT. Let's break it down. P is the loan amount. In our example, it's $10,000. R is the annual interest rate, which is 5%. N is the total number of payments, so we have 5 annual payments. Now let's plug these values into the formula. P equals 10,000, R equals 5%, which is the same as 0.05, and N is 5. We get an annual payment, which we call PMT, of approximately $2,310. This means each year you'll pay the same amount, which is a mix of interest and principal. We can now plug this into our table as our annual payment called PMT. In order to find the interest payment for each year, we multiply the starting balance of the year with the interest rate of 5%. For example, in year 2, the starting balance is $8,190, which we multiply with our interest rate of 5%. This gives us $410, which is the total interest payment of year 2. To find the principal, we simply subtract the interest payment from the payment we call PMT. The principal is the amount of money that goes directly to pay off your loan and thereby making it smaller. For example, our payment in year 3 is $2,310 and the interest payment is $315. When we subtract $315 from $2,310, we get the principal of $1,995, meaning your total loan will be reduced by $1,995 after year 3. Lastly, we subtract the principal payment from the starting balance and we end up with the remaining balance of the year. The remaining balance is also called the end balance of the year. Please note that the end balance of a year is the same as the starting balance of the next year, and by doing this for each year, we can see that by the end of year 5, we no longer owe any money. We said in the beginning we needed to pay back the loan of $10,000 in 5 years at an annual interest rate of 5%. And since the ending balance in year 5 is 0, we know we did it correctly. And that's how you make an amortization table for an annuity loan.